Okay, this is my Jabe UD-1200 soldering station, and what it's lacking is a cable holder, but as you can see here, there's a hole in the enclosure, so basically it's prepared to mount one of those holders, but there's no thread inside. So I'm going to open up the box and see if we can add one. This is JBC's CC1001 cable holder, and supposedly that's going to fit if you print out this little plastic part, which you can find on Thingiverse. If you look for UD-1200, you can find it. And it's basically just a holder for an M4 nut, which you can use to, well, mount this holder on. So let's just open the box and see what's in there. Unpacking video, yay. There's the nut, or there's actually the screw. And here's the holder itself. So that's where it's supposed to go. Let's see if this fits together. So you can press the nut in there. It's a tight fit. Probably works better if the nut is hot. But this looks pretty nice. The nut basically goes in here and slides in very nicely, and also fits very tightly. You see the nut being pushed down in here. Okay, and it's put back together, and you can see there's the nut. There's a little thread in there. I wonder why JB didn't decide to put this little nut in there in the first place. Would have increased the price by maybe 1/4 cent. Anyway, let's see if we can screw this in. You have to center the nut a little bit so that it's in the right position, but that's doable. And there we go. Works like a charm. Best $10 ever spent. Once again, why didn't JB put this there in the first place? It'll be their secret.